So, right, you have the trigger variables ready, right? You will go to triggers, variables of time on site and 50% scroll, right? You will go to trigger, click here, and you will go to extreme bottom and you will choose trigger group. Then you click on here, choose, and let's say you choose 1 minute time on site. And so for that, you will click this plus icon, this blue plus icon, and let's say you want it to be 50% scroll depth. The combination of these two, right? And all conditions, right? And that's how. And then you will name this trigger as 1 minute time on site and 50% scroll depth. And there can be another as 30-second time on site and 60% scroll depth, something like this. And you will name that trigger accordingly and save this. That will be the first step, creating the trigger group. So you can name it combination of, for example, 1 minute time on site and 50% scroll depth, right? So that's how you will name it with the two combinations mentioned here, all conditions, and save it. So that's the step of creating trigger group.